Hello dear children, welcome to 6th standard computer science 3rd class. Children, in previous class we discussed about chapter 1 computer languages topic. What is a language, then what is a programming language, and types of programming languages, then low level languages types, machine language and assembly language. Machine language that is used to first generation, assembly language that is used to second generation, then high level languages. Did you understand, children? Yes, okay. Today we learn about the comparison of high level language and low level language. Yes, children, okay. Comparison means the act or process of comparing. When you make a comparison, you consider two or more things and discover the differences. Yes? Okay. Now, let's talk about the comparison of high level and low level language. Okay, children, listen carefully. It is important question, so listen carefully. Yes? Okay. First of all, high level languages. High level languages. So, all of you take page number 6, children. So first I read the topic. Okay, comparison of high level and low level language. High level language easier to write, then low level language difficult to write, easier to test or debug, difficult to test or debug. Processing speed is slow, processing speed is usually fast, almost never machine independent, almost always machine dependent. Yes, okay. So all of you listen. High level language means first step parangama, easier to write means high level languages are easy to learn, programs are short. Okay, so the low level language difficult to write means difficult to learn, programs are lengthy. Yes, okay. Then second step, easier to test or debug. Debug means what, children? Debug means identify and remove errors from computer hardware and software. அதாவது நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டரில் உள்ள எரர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் டீபக்னு சொல்லுவோம், சரியா? ஸோ தென் லோ லெவல் லாங்குவேஜ் டிஃபிகல்ட் டு டெஸ்ட் ஆர் டீபக், மோர் சான்சஸ் ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ் வைல் ரைட்டிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ், மோர் சான்சஸ் ஆஃப் எரர்ஸ் வைல் ரைட்டிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ், then less chances of error while writing programs is a high level language. Yes, then processing speed is slow. Third step, processing speed is slow, processing the entry of program is fast. The entry of program is fast. Then low level language, processing speed is usually fast, the entry of program is slow. Yes, children? Yes, okay. Then fourth step, almost never machine dependent programming language. Almost never machine dependent. Then low level language or machine dependent programming language such as machines code or and assembly language. Yes, code and assembly language. Can you understand, children? Yes. Children, listen. Next topic, latest high level languages. Latest high level language that is used to 4th generation. Once again I repeat, machine language that is used to 1st generation, assembly language that is used to 2nd generation, high level language that is used to 3rd generation, latest high level language is used to 4th generation. Yes, children? Okay. Next, 4th generation language or even 4GL to be languages that consist of statements similar to statements in a human language, abbreviated as 4GL means 4th generation language. 4GL oda abbreviated enaduma 4th generation language. So 4GL used with databases or query language, report generators, forms, designers, then database. So all of you underline the word, page number 6, latest high level languages. database access, report generators, data manipulation, analysis, reporting, then etc. So some characteristics of fourth generation languages. So all of you underline the word, children. Next, they have some characteristics like they are portable and platform dependent, not a machine dependent. So in easy format and easy to debug, high speed of execution. Some examples of generation of language and used to develop the software. Example software கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கம்மா, Python, Ruby, Perl. This is a fourth generation language. So underline the word Python, Ruby, Perl. So they are portable and platform independent. They are written in easy format so that they are easy to debug and test. They have high speed of execution. They are used to develop the software in less time at minimum cost. So that is important question. So all of you listen. Okay, some examples of generation of language, fourth generation of language, Python, Ruby, Perl. Okay, children, today homework, all of you read this lesson, page number 5 and 6. Yes, children. Thank you, children.